Woo! Buenas tardes. Here we are back in San Mateo, Rio Hondo. Another beautiful day in paradise. Another beautiful day in paradise. So I'm just going to hang out for a while. Oh, I better take that out of my pocket, otherwise it's going to just fall out anyways, because I'm upside down. Didn't. Okay, we're good. There we go. This is my favorite toy. I love it. I just love being upside down. I think I spent a lot of time upside down as a monkey, and just having the blood flow reversed to the body is so nice, and it's so soothing. Getting all that blood to your brain, that doesn't hurt either. It's such a great healing, just hanging out here, just chilling. I love dancing too, but I can't do video and music at the same time. So we'll just stretch out a little bit. It's such a gorgeous day here. I feel so grateful to be alive. So many cool things are happening, and I'm just, I'm woohoo! Full power. That's it. I'm just full power. So many cool things are happening in my family. For me, persistently persisting to persist and to drive them completely crazy. That's what I'm here for, and I love them for it. Yes, I love them all. I love you, my family. I love you. Oh, this is such a good way to just relax and chill. And just be like, oh. When I used to have one of these on Salt Spring, it was different. It's called a Feet Up. They're both phenomenal. I love them both. The other one is back on Salt Spring, and it's such a phenomenal way to stretch out your body, your back, and just take some time and chill. And your legs. I notice as people age, it's the hips that they get. Hi, I love you. And being up here, just hanging backwards, is such a nice hip opener. And of course, spread legs is phenomenal too. But wow, it just feels so good to just chill here and just let gravity slowly open you up. Don't try and push anything. Just relax and breathe. And I also like to fully chill. And I just get in such a comfy spot that I can do this forever. The Feet Up was a little easier for this because it had a bigger cushion, but this one makes it more challenging, which is fun too. Yeah. Happy baby. That's a happy baby. It's my favorite yoga pose because I am still a happy baby. Yeah. As long as you go slow, nothing too bad can happen. Yeah. It's just after 3 o'clock. I've got a salad prepared, but I thought I'd have a little exercise before salad. Stray and I have had a couple of good hikes today already. We went down to the river on the backside with Ben and Monica and Rufo and Dulce this morning. That was fantastic. Another really cool thing to do out here while you're up here is just let your ankles relax. Give them a nice twist both ways. I also really like to give myself a foot massage while I'm up here, because why not? Your feet are right here, and it feels so good. Reflexology, everything in the body is connected to your feet. So when you give your feet some love, that means your body's getting some love. And your feet love to be barefoot. They love to be connected to the earth. If you look at a plant and measure the electricity coming off of it with an electrode, you will see that there's an electric field around it, or a halo, or whatever you like to call it. And we have that too when we're barefoot and we're connected to our Mother Earth. Yeah. So I highly recommend it. It's such a good practice. Hanging upside down and being barefoot. Going back to when we were monkeys, I believe that's why we evolved from the monkeys, and I believe that the more time that we spend living like them, that's why I'm doing a lot of juicing right now too, which is another phenomenal thing that I love to do for myself. I highly recommend it. It's a meal replacement. This morning I had carrot and apple juice. No, pardon me, carrot and pineapple juice. Yesterday I had carrot and apple juice. And then this afternoon I had orange and grapefruit juice. And that's all I've consumed. And, whew. Yeah. Oh, it's such a nice stretch. It just feels so good. One of the yogis that I love to study was BKS Iyengar, and he did what was known as the flying yogi. He didn't have the chair. He just used his head on the ground with his hands, and his feet were like this. So he just stood on his head. I want to get there. That's part of this practice, is to get there. And so he also said that if you stand on your head for 3 hours, that you can stop time. And I thought that was pretty fascinating. On Salt Spring, on my chair, not on my head, I did an hour and a half, and it was really trippy. It was almost like the world flipped, because when I came back over, everything was upside down. It was like I readjusted something in my mind that tripped a circuit. So, but it just made me see that how this is a movie. If you can flip it upside down. And so that's why I love flipping myself upside down and just stretching that body out, because your body's your vessel. My motto is, my life is my laboratory, my body is my temple, and love is my practice. It's a great way to live, I find, and it's brought me to just a place of clarity and peace, and I'm living my dream right here, right now. This is me living my dream, showing what I've spent a lot of time in the last 14 years learning how to take care of myself. Because now that I'm 54, I'm in as good a shape as I've been in since I was 40. Uh, and it's amazing. When I was 35, I was in the worst shape of my life. I was an alcoholic. I was a cocaine user. Um, Smoked cigarettes. Ate tons of terrible food. I mostly ate chicken wings, and drank Jägermeister and beer, and I had the most horrible gut issues. Every day I had heartburn, indigestion, I had diarrhea, bloating, all of these issues. Uh, and then I became vegetarian at 36, and I started doing things different. I quit drinking uh, and smoking for a bit. I started that again, but I quit it again. It's now been 10 years. And it's been 18 years for cocaine. So it's been a journey, but I've done a lot of stuff. And people might think that I post a lot, but it's because I want to help. I feel like doing what I can do inspires people to try different stuff on, because I know that a lot of people my age can't do this, and they don't know what they're missing. So what I'd like to do is help people to get to a place where they can do this, because quite honestly, I feel so good after. It's nuts. And I'm not in a rush to do anything. And my body, like, just having the blood flow reversed is such a good thing for your body, because the body loves short-term stress. It hates long-term stress, but it loves short-term stress, and that's how we grow. Is these put yourself through some stress, and then realize your power. See your power, because you're an infinite, divine, spiritual being having a human experience. Your body is your temple. Love it. Love it. Learn it. Live with it. Be best friends with your body. Like, that's why I do these things, because I know a lot of people that know the rules. There's so many spiritual gurus that I know, and they know the rules, but they don't practice them. They don't, and that's hypocrisy. So I've made it a practice to practice, because this is where I have the most fun, and I feel like free, completely free. Time has completely eluded me, and I don't care. I just feel like, well, I know that right now I'm providing healing for my body. This is better than any doctor's office. That's for damn sure. Uh, this is something you will never get from any vaccine or from. This is a happy, healthy body, an organic body that's been blessed, because I woke up and I listened. I listened to my angels, I listened to my guides, and I listened to my network. I listened, and I made a lot of content in the process. So I'm here to help. And I don't expect you to be doing this in a week, but if that's your goal, we can make that happen. Absolutely. It'll depend on what kind of, um, how well you're treating yourself now. Because all that matters is what you're doing when nobody else is looking. Because everybody is you. We are one. We are one species. We are one consciousness. We are one humanity. And this is why I'm making these videos, for people to get that. Anything I can do, you can do better. I promise, because I've made a lot of mistakes over the years, and that's how I got to where I am. I say the more mistakes you make, the sooner you become a mystic. Mystic mysticism is fun. I'm a hermetic alchemist, living 14 years celibate without a vehicle and without watching television. It's been an amazing journey. I have the best teacher in the world. Her name is Estrella, and my mom, and my sister, and my brother, and my family. I love you all. I love you all. I hope you all watch this. I hope you all watch this because I love you all. And that's what I believe my mission is to do, is to love our family back together, because we're too spread out and we're not, there's not enough love circulating in there. So that's my job. And so that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm doing stuff like this, because I'm inspired. You can't just make this up. You only do it because you feel good, you know? And it's because of all of you that have contributed to my journey, that have kept me going. You made me realize that success is something that I am destined for, and I need to step into that and accept the fact that I can be more useful with an income, and I'm gonna have a lot. I'm gonna give back to everybody that helped me in my journey. Just so you know, that's part of my goal, and it'll happen short term, because right now, as you can see, I am fully inspired. I don't know how else you can explain doing the things that I do, because I have a love that just needs to be shared, and this is why I like to open my heart, because that makes me feel like, yes, that's what I did. I opened my heart, and that's all you need to do. That's it. That's all you need to do. Okay, I'm gonna have a little silence, and then I'll shut down the video. I love you. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you watch to the till the end. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel. I love comments, and sharing is caring. Mwah! Much love. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Brent Talbot. My friends call me Space. This is Inspired Conscious Living, and we love you. Estrella and I and my mama, we love you. Namaste. That's Kaylee. Hi, Kaylee. We love you. So if you like what I'm putting out there, feel free to subscribe to my channel. It would make my day, warm my heart to have you on my team. Together everyone achieves miracles. That's what I'm talking about. Ow! Full power. It's 23 degrees. I'm getting a little thirsty. As much as I'm enjoying this, we'll do it again. So, again, please subscribe. And I love comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you want to get one. They're phenomenal. I highly, highly, highly recommend this. This is, like you said, there's not a lot of movement here. There's just breathing and being present. So, you're going to get to see me get up because I got to go over there to turn that off. Well, I guess I got the remote here, but no, I want to do that anyways because I think this should be fun because I don't know how long I've been down here. I have no idea, but I feel amazing. That's what I want to tell you is I feel amazing. And if you made it this far in the video, you're crazy too. I love you. If you're in my family, well, I love you all. But I want to thank you so much for watching because I'm doing this stuff for my mom. So let's get my mom to Mexico. I love you. Ow! Full power. Here we come. Just balancing a little equilibrium work. Okay. Woo! That'll do ya. Thanks again. I love you. Ow! Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you.